This video is made adult collectors for age 30+. Viewer description is advised. What's up, Transformers fans? It is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to our Michael unboxing. So today we're going to unboxing this Blokees Transformers 1 Classic Class Optimus Prime. So this is a really excited for this one. I'm gonna waiting for excited for this unboxing for this video, and using that's pretty good though. Oh my god, you guys see the rainbow shining, the holographic is pretty good though, the background here. And it's a look at this images, so like the Optimus Prime looks pretty insane. And there's oh my god, the Autobots logo with side by side. And there's oh my god, we have this 12 plus number 7111161. You find us on Facebook for the Blokees, and then you get the secret code for the code in there, and use some accuracy for the 79 pieces. So it looks like there no brush, no glue, and no cutters required. And you got a chest and eyes, so you're gonna press the chest and the lights up, but you can see this on for the lights up and the glow. Oh my god! And you're gonna Blokees logo, Transformers model kits logos. Oh, that's pretty amazing. These images side by side. Well, look at this. All the classic class 11 with the Optimus Prime and with the Autobots logo. That's what the pretty images are so good. And then let's get the back for the packaging. We have the oh my god, we got a bio with this one with Optimus Prime. We got the 79 pieces of this like we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of the pieces all around. We got this is some of the stands. If you get the stands, it looks like pretty good. Oh, look at this, pretty good though. Look at this. Look at this one here. And this is the Optimus Prime, and use it with the accessories like the Cybertronian guns, and then with the Elojon X. So let's get a box of this video. If you like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bells, ring the bell, baby, and let's get it started, shall we? Alright, let's get it open up for this box in this video. And let's get I don't know what this is doing there. This is wonderful. Oh my god, I think it's a little broken for this box, and I'm sorry for this. The order shopping. This is pretty good. Look at this. Oh, they got the packaging. Oh, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. 5 other packs in the packaging. You get to see this Optimus Prime for the Transformers one. You guys get to see for the instruction. You just get to see the images in the English version, not in Chinese version. So this is instructions. So there's lots of instructions here. Oh my goodness, look at that. We gotta use them with that sets the parts of the Optimus Prime, and this one around the packs becoming Optimus Prime. And this is Optimus Prime, Elite 1, Megatron, Sentinel Prime, without B127. Where's B127? I don't know, man. We got this. Okay, so this one here, we got the instructions. You notice. So we notice with this one, and you gotta see all the sets around. So let's get a building this right here. Let's go. Here we go. I'm finished with the building with this part with the Optimus Prime. So they are for the parts of the Optimus Prime from the Transformers 1 Blokees. So I mean, this is one of the parts. So one of the best thing buildings in the model kits. So this is the 1 head, 2 arms, chest, crouch, 2 legs, and 2 feet. So let's get the building up. Assemble time. Whoops, wrong the one. Whoop. There we go. There we go, guys. I'm finishing with this building assemble with Optimus Prime for Transformers 1 for Blokees. So we have this is a look at it for the details with the Optimus Prime, and it looks pretty good. And look at this, so amazing. Look at that. Oh my goodness, one of the best Blokees in the franchise I've ever seen. This is the best with the model kits. I'm 79 pieces, or whatever what is it called? 79 pieces of this parts of the Optimus Prime bodies right here. So you're gonna look at that's gonna see this is using a battle mass mode for this fighting with the Megatron in this scene. I say this one there is pretty good. Look at the details of it, and also I also face with the face without battle mass mode. with Optimus Prime. Now I'm not using it anymore, but this is a kind of part. So this one here is the opening is a shiny plastic, shiny red. It's so pretty good. It's so amazing. But this look at the details right here, and this is the look at that. Oh my god, we have the pipe. We're gonna use the flamethrower. Because the framings, it looks so good though. Oh my goodness. We have all in the PT the details of this one. We have the shiny panel. No, this is exactly that. I'm not joking. Sorry about that. And this is an Ottawa. Look at this shiny silver, shiny blue, and it's so pretty great. Great details is right here. We got the arms. We have the chest. So this one here, this is chest mode. We get a nice plastic, clear blue. This you can open the matrix of leadership. But look at this. This is so. We have the lighting up, and using an ASCII recording. With this all by Alpha Trion. I don't know what this is. The prime leaders. There's what we get it. You can open it or close it down. You say it. You can open or close it down. So you get pretty excited. Yeah, that's pretty badass. And look at this, so freaking amazing. And because of the hands and details, it looks pretty great. I mean, you kind of moving on this part, can open the hands, and with the fist hands, looks pretty good. This is pretty good. And look at it, looks like the Gunpla. Looks like a Gunpla version. I don't know what you're talking about. This is the blood substance. So this one, oh my goodness, we have the fist, the hands, and open the hands. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it looks pretty good. We have the legs. This is a nice crouch. Just open it, windows, a pocket of winds, to the left or the right. Oh, so pretty good. And then finally with the foot and his feet. This is oh my! I'm not gonna lie. This is a pretty good looking back with the details and the excited. I watched the Transformers one for probably the best one that's I've ever seen in my life. But I don't like actually watching Transformers favors. It was pretty bad with this movie. I'm so disappointed for this movies. So we have the Cybertronian rifles, Cybertronian guns. They are no idea what's going on there. So they got there's a barrel that's really not that good. It's pretty bad. Isn't here's with the panel that actually you can have the fighting rivals and you get so this one here, this looks a bit shining silver, looks pretty clean. That's so really good. This look at details. So like, I love how the like you're holding Elite One. This is for and posting the Optimus Prime for Transformers G1 for the scene. This has been the best of the poster shot that I've ever seen on this. Okay, so and then finally in the John X, with the fighting with the Megatron. I don't know what's this one I got of this. So this one is light green. As we got this green is the light blue. What's it called? Crown. What's this? The plastic. The model is so pretty, so much good. It's so amazing. And look at this. You could have put it on there. Hold on. I don't know what to do in this. So you could have removed this hands. So whatever you want. Okay. So heavy. And then putting the John X. Oh wait. No, I gotta lie. How could it put it? Hold on. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there we go. So this was the John X. So looks badass. Oh, we have the lights. Oh, we have to see this lights. Then you gotta pop it up, boom, and you gotta like this eyes. We're gonna pop it on this, and oh my goodness, it looks so pretty clean. I love how the Transformers one is posting of this crap. Oh my god, I love this design with details, man. And then finally we have the model stand. Model stand is pretty great. I don't know what this one here. So we gotta move this out to the spine, sorry. And then all the details of the looks there. If we put that in this fits. So we use the pen and put that in, and then all of it's inside. We use the effects pieces. So look at this with the Blokees logos. Looks pretty insane. Look at this. so pretty great. I don't know what he's doing about that. Then this one back at the here, and this is one of the details are great details, like his Cybertronian. There's the two Blokees logos in the answer. You got a pin to pull down, and yes, the feet of the shoulders. So we got as good to see you can do the putting on this legs and the stance and in the bottom. But I mean, this is a pretty exciting there, and we're gonna put this brace right here. Pretty good, and you know what? I'm not gonna tire of this one here. This is pretty good. And look at this, light up. Oh. Hey, look at the light up there in the background. I forgot to switch on the lights. Oh, look at this. It lights up with a matrix of leadership and then glowing eyes with blue with Optimus Prime. That was so amazing, dude. I love this. So, okay, let's run out of here. I'm gonna put it back on the hands. I'm so really sorry about that. I kind of really stuck right here. I'm never gonna know what this is. So like, put it down here. And there we are. And then so let's take it articulation. So we have to prove it with the move the hands or arms, whatever this is. So we got to rotate up and down, rotation of the 360, all around. We got arms up and down, and then hands. Up and down with a 360, the turning round, and the other one. You go up and down again. You go up and down again. The 360, the arms. That's pretty clean. And the hands up and down again. I don't know what's the 360 movement this. So I can't do this for the 360. So we gotta prove it this one, the arms and shoulders, and you can see we remove the shoulders. We don't know this, and I love the how this looks pretty good. It's the arms and you gotta up and down. You gotta up and down the shoulders, and it's pretty great. I love the how this is looks design looks the best one in this one. The round, turn around there, and the crouch, 360 arms and chest. Well, circle around it, and then you crouch it like this, up and down. You get up and down, and the legs, and the face, and up and down. You can up and down the arms and legs there, side by side, and the side by side, and it's up and down here. There's no need to toe. That's one here, the up and down. You can crouch, and you got no idea with this one. At his knees, and you got it the foot. Oh wait, how they putting it getting there? So they get up and down again, rotation, 360 here, the turn around, around and around. I have no idea. I'm sorry about that. And there's we could have put that's on around here. So they got the Optimus Prime. It looks pretty good. I don't know what they're doing. So this one here, and this looks pretty. This is on those all accessories right here, and the model standard. So we're gonna put this around here. So this one size of comparison, we have no idea. This is Gundam SDW Hero SAIZO Gundam Delta Kai. So this one is the smaller one, but this looks better with this one. Look at this. I'm sorry with the bad of this scene. This is what it look a standard here. I don't have any model stand here. Leave this along with that scene. This is pretty much whole smaller the Gunpla SDW. But I'm not gonna appreciate that there. And the others look back on that side. So this one another Gundam Sea Destiny. But hold on. And then they're putting here. So they gotta get smaller this one. So this is bigger size and that would come from then the better that Gunpla. And if you know what this is, SDW, this looks pretty good. So the taller in this one here, but it looks pretty badass. Hold on. Oh wow, I gotta put it there. And finally, we have the SD Cross Silhouette, SDW Cross Silhouette, and Seed Gundam Seed Destiny movie, and that's the look of that. So this one here, that's pretty good, and I haven't decided what of this one. But if you didn't know, I have been posting this video I think I have no idea, and it's gonna be this is way better than this one. The Blokees did this, and I got it this one. I'm not disappointed. This is pretty great though. Okay, we are finally here. So I'm gonna give you the Blokees Transformers 1 Classic Class Optimus Prime. It's gonna give it a 8.5 out of 10. That was so pretty great. This is a must peak on the lowest price. This was the lowest budget, and it's much small and the price. And I don't know. I am fans of Transformers 1, but I'm not gonna watch the very first version. This love the cartoons, and I watched the pretty fun in this movie. I do this one here. I haven't totally loved this Transformers one. All they just really seen. You know what? It's kind of pretty surprising. I don't know what to do with this. I'm not do. I'm gonna next one with the Megatron, B127, Elite 1, Decepticons, so like Shockwave, Soundwave, and Starscream. We don't know how much this from the buy one this one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave it a like it. Give it subscribe to the channel notification bells. Follow us on social media stars, and they know what's coming out too, guys. Thank you so much for watching with this video. I hope you enjoying this. See you there on my next video. Bye, the peace.